You've done this before.
We have.
See one? Oh, no, we're good, yeah.
How much that piano weigh, you think?
500,
500 pounds is out in like 5 minutes.
5 minutes, one hand, 1 foot.
I'm tired of moving people's pianos because I got one back. You see how strong these guys were? They're two times the size of me, and they just got out and they're strong. And me, no. That was awesome. That's worth $125 any day.